I know what it's like studying. You want to get a good mark so that you can go to a good university, get a good degree so that you can get a good job, right? Perhaps you want to be a doctor, a lawyer, engineer, or maybe even a dentist. But what if I told you that marks aren't everything? Hi, my name is Peter and I'm the founder of S2P Connect, where we transform students into professionals. I've been tutoring since 2007 and I've personally tutored more than 500 students from many different backgrounds in schools. Some are now doctors, some are now lawyers, entrepreneurs, and some are even teachers. I graduated from North Sydney Boys with a score of 99.9, got a state rank for English Advanced. I have a combined law degree and Masters in Public Policy from the University of Sydney. I've had more than a decade worth of experience in the corporate world. I've worked in law firms in Sydney and Hong Kong, and I've worked for the Premier and the New South Wales government. What I want to tell you is for your child to get better at English, we have to stop focusing on their marks. Kids are stressed as it is nowadays with YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, you name it. A world of distraction is nothing but a fingertip away. What we got to do is to help your child fall in love with reading and writing. English is a HSC subject, but it's so much more. English helps your child understand how to express themselves, how to negotiate, how to collaborate, and how to sell an idea. Studying English in high school isn't just about getting band 6s or a 99 ATAR. Studying English is to help your child develop confidence and the soft skills required to help them for their future. Don't get me wrong, marks are important, but to get those marks, we must stop obsessing about the students' results. Instead, we must focus on their time management, discipline, resilience, engagement, and so much more. It's funny, because focusing on these soft skills will get your child the results that they want. English is the best way to transform your child from a student into the best professional they can be. Book a skills assessment and consultation with us today.